Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Locket Widget error on iPhone. Now if you are facing various kinds of error on Locket Widget app on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to use the Locket Widget app. So make sure that it is connected. So simply go on the control center of your iPhone and turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, it helps to fix the bugs or the error which are currently occurring on your app, and also helps you to reset all the network settings of your phone. So simply turn it off back after 10 seconds and simply connect your device to any kind of Wi-Fi or mobile data, and after that you may simply open App Store on the device. So here you will see the various options at the very bottom taskbar. Click on the option of search and click on the search box and simply search the option of Locket Widget. So simply type Locket and click on the option of search, and here you will see the option of Locket Widget and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available on the Locket Widget, then that may also be the reason that your app is not running smoothly. So make sure to update it to the latest version available. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the Locket Widget errors on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.